Hello, how are you? Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, in this short video, I want to show you how I make my first dollar on YouTube. Because there are so many things you need to place in before you can make your first dollar. Though there are some things you have been doing that you did not know how to place in, because you need to follow the step by step before you can make your first dollar on YouTube. Before you can make your first dollar, there are some things, there are some category things YouTube said you should have before you can make your first dollar. And if you don't have this, there's no how you can make money on YouTube. There's no how you can make your own dollar on YouTube, because YouTube is giving a huge amount of money, a huge amount of dollar. But if you don't know the step by step how you can make your own money, how you can make your own dollar, there's no how you can make the money. Now I'll be taking you through step by step how you can make your first dollar. I want to show you now how I make my first dollar on YouTube. Before I go further, now let me tell you what YouTube told you should have. The category goals YouTube give you before you can make money on YouTube. You might know it before and you might not know. That means if you don't know it, that means you are just doing it for fun. You don't want to make money. But if you want to make money, these are your goals for making money on YouTube. We have two categories of goals on YouTube before you can make money. Number one, you need to have 500 subscribers and 3,000 public watch hour. There is difference between public watch hour. Do you understand what I said? 3,000 public watch hour. Because if you are uploading on YouTube will told you, do you want to put it in private or public? If you put the video you want to upload on YouTube, you put it in private, you are not going to make money and you did not know you have been doing it. But if you want to make money on YouTube, you must be putting your video in public. That's your first mistake you have been doing that you did not know. Secondly, YouTube will ask you, is this video is for kid or not for kid? You have to choose not for kid, because if you choose for kid, you are not going to make money through it. You are not going to make money from the video. But if you choose not for kid, and YouTube is going to ask you, is this video, do you want this video to show to less than 8 years old? And if you choose it, definitely you are not going to make money from it. You do not need to choose that option. You need to omit it and move forward. Okay, if you have 500 subscribers and you have 3,000 public watch hour, you have that's your start mission on making money on YouTube. If you have that in this month, YouTube will send you a notification to your Gmail that you are qualified to start making money, to start collecting the dollar on YouTube. That's the first option. Second option is either you have 500 subscribers or 10 million public view. YouTube, the second option is either you have 500 subscribers and 3 million public short view. Do you understand? I've explained the public view, because if you are putting your video on private, you are not going to make money. The difference is 3,000 public watch hour and 3 million public short view. If you have 3 million public short view and 500 subscriber, you will start making money on YouTube. That's the first option. If you want to choose that one, you have start the goals of making money on YouTube. The second option is you have 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 public watch hour. 4,000 public watch hour. If you have that two category, you have start making money. Or you have 1,000 subscriber and 10 million public short view. If you have 10 million public short view and 1,000 subscriber, YouTube will send you a notification that you are now started making dollar on YouTube. This is the category, this is the criteria of what YouTube need from you. If you have these goals, definitely you can now start making money on YouTube. It's very simple and clear. That's my first step, and I start making money on YouTube. When I generate this hour, I generate this subscriber, and immediately YouTube send me a notification that now I have started making money on YouTube, and the money is coming to my Nigerian bank. Not they'll be telling you that you need to go to foreign, you need foreign account, you need something. No, in YouTube you don't need any foreign bank. You need Nigerian dollar bank, and you'll be making your money. YouTube will be giving your money to your Nigerian dollar bank, and you'll be collecting your money every month. Do you understand? Once you have this, you have started making money on YouTube. Thanks for watching my video. Let me see your comment. Any video you want me to take in charge or to tell you how you can do it, let me see it in your comment section, and I will take you place and I will walk you through everything. God bless you. Like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you.